Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and today we are going to solve the question of exercise 4. In previous class already we have discussed the concept of unitary method, and this exercise is based on that only, unitary method. Okay, so we'll come to the exercise 4. So what is the question? Exercise 4. First question, look at here. The price of a dozen notebook. Dozen means how much? Dozen means 12. Okay, one dozen of banana you say, so dozen means 12. So 12 notebook is how much? 144 rupees. So the price of 12 notebook is given 144. Find the cost of 20 notebook. So you have to find the cost of 20 notebook. So how you will find cost of 20 notebook? How you will find? First of all, you have to know the price of one notebook. Okay, so the one notebook, how you'll get the price of one notebook? By dividing total price into number of notebooks, isn't it? So we'll follow the same rule. Okay, now come to the solution. Okay, so first of all we'll write cost of 12 notebook. Okay, cost of 12 notebook is given how much? It is given 144 rupees, isn't it? Cost of 12 notebook. Look at here, the price of 12 notebook, dozen means 12, so 12 notebook is 44 rupees. So we have to find the price of what? One notebook. So we'll write cost of one notebook. So how we'll find the price of one notebook? Cost of total notebook. Okay, price of total notebook divided by number of notebook. How many notebooks are there? 12. So we'll divide it. 144 divided by 12. Now you can divide 144, you can divide it by 12. So how much you'll get? 12 1 ja 12. 4 minus 2 2, 1 minus 1 0. Now this 4 will come down. 12 2 ja 24. So how much we are getting? 12 we are getting. Okay, so we are getting 12. So what we'll write? Cost of one notebook 12 rupees. Okay, cost of 12 notebook, how much we have got? 12 rupees. Now in the question, are they asking the cost of one notebook? Cost of one notebook they are asking? No, they are asking what? Find the cost of 20 notebook. They are asking find the price of 20 notebook. Now price of one notebook we are knowing. Price of one notebook we know. How much we have got? Price of one notebook 12 rupees. Okay, so now cost of 20 notebook. Cost of 20 notebook. Cost of one notebook we have got how much? 12 rupees. Okay, now price of 20 notebook will be equal to how much? 20 into 12 into 20. Now 12 into 20, if you multiply, how much you will get? 240 rupees. Okay, so once again from the beginning I am explaining you how we are doing. Okay, so look at here, the cost of 12 notebook is given how much? 144 rupees. Cost of how much? 12 notebook. Okay, so first of all cost of 12 is given, so we have to find cost of 1. Always you have to find the cost of 1 first. So cost of one notebook, how we are getting? Total cost divided by number of notebook. Total cost is 144 and we have divided by number of notebook. Number of notebook is 12. Now 144 we have divided by 12. So we have got how much? 12. 144 if you will divide by 12 you will get 12. So cost of one notebook we have got how much? 12 rupees. Now cost of 20. Cost of 1 we have got 12. Now cost of 20 how you'll get? So 12 into 20. Like cost of 1 rupee, 1 pen is 5 rupees. Then cost of 2 pen will be how much? 2 pen will be 5 into 2. Okay. Cost of 1 pen into number of pen. Okay. So same way cost of 1 notebook we have got 12. So cost of 1 notebook we have got how much? We have got 12 rupees. So cost of 20 notebook, 12 into 20, we are getting 240. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now come to question number 3. What is given? 25 bags of sugar weighs 725 kg. Look at here. How many bags are there? 25 bags. And it is weighing how much? 725 kg. Okay. So weight of 25 bag of sugar is given 725, and they are asking for what is the weight of 15 bag. Suppose weight of one bag will be given to you 2 kg. Okay. Then weight of 15 bag will be how much? 15 bag, 15 into 2, that is 30 kg, isn't it? Suppose. But so what will do? Weight of one bag into 15, if we'll multiply, then we'll get the weight of 15 bag. Okay. So first of all we have to know the weight of one bag. Here is it given weight of one bag? No. Here it is given weight of 25 bags. So first of all we have to find out the weight of one bag. Okay. So weight of one bag how we'll find? Whenever you have to find the weight for one or cost for one, what you have to do? You have to divide the total cost or total weight divided by number of bags. Okay. So how many bags are there? 25. And total how much kg is there? 725 kg. So first of all what we'll write? We'll write weight of weight of 25 bags is given how much? 725 kg. Okay. So we have to find first weight of one bag. Weight of one bag. Weight of one bag. How will get? 725 total weight divided by number of bags. Number of bags 25. So 725 divided by 25. Now you divide it. 725 divided by how much? 25. Now 25 one times or two times will take, then we'll get 50. 2 minus 0 2, 7 minus 5 2. Now this 5 will come down. Okay. Now it is becoming 225. So 25 9 times if you'll multiply, then you'll get 225. Okay. So how much we are getting? 29. So weight of one bag we are getting how much? 29 kg. Got it? So we'll write here weight of one bag 725 divided by 25. How much we are getting? 29 kg. Okay. So weight of one bag we have got. Weight of one bag we have got how much? 29 kg. Now we have to find what? Weight of 15 bag. Weight of 15 bag. 15 bags. So how we'll find weight of one bag? Already we have got weight of one bag 29. So weight of 15 bag, how much we'll get? We'll get 29 into 15. Weight of one bag into total number of bags, 29 into 15. Now you multiply 29 into 15. 29 and 15. You multiply. 5 9 is 45. 5 2 is 10 and 4 14. Okay. Then 1 into 5 will get 5. Then 1 into 2 will get 2. 5 5 4 9 and 2 1 3. So how much we are getting? 395. Okay. So we'll write here 395. Okay. So we'll write here weight of 15 bag. Weight of 15 bag is equal to 29 into 15. After multiplying, how much we have got? 395. So we'll write here 395 kg. Okay. So once again from the beginning I am explaining it. Just look at here. Weight of 25 bags is given how much? 725 kg. Okay. So first of all we have to find weight of one bag. Weight of one bag. So what we have to do? Total weight divided by number of bag. Total weight is 725 and number of bag is 25. So we have divided by 25. After dividing, division I have shown you. After dividing we have got 29. So weight of one bag we have got how much? 29 kg. Now weight of one bag we have got. Now we have to find weight of 15 bags. In question they are asking find the weight of 15 bags. So weight of 15 bags will be how much? Weight of one bag into 15. So 29 is weight of one bag and total 15 bags are there. So multiply by 15. After multiplying this we are getting 395. Okay. So this is your answer. I hope this is clear to you. So question number 1 and 3 I have done for you. Question number 1 and 3 I have done for you. So rest of the question number 2, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6 you have to do as your homework. Okay. So see you in the next class. Thank you.